Managing materials in Lumion. Copy, paste, save to custom material library, load and save. Now that we completed learning about all types of materials and we managed to customize and come up with pretty good materials of our own, let's learn how to manage materials in Lumion. Copying, pasting, saving to custom material library, loading and saving. Let's open our scene, and as you can see, we have made pretty nice number of materials like those cobblestone, the curb material, the waterfall material and others. And we want to save these materials to be used in this scene or other scenes as well. Let's learn how to manage those materials. Let's start with the cobblestone material. Let me select that ground object while on material mode, and here we have the material management toolbar where we have the icons for copy material, paste material, save material to custom material, load material and save material. First button, copy material. When we click it, our material gets copied to the clipboard and we can go to any other object in our scene, turn it to standard material and paste that cobblestone material that we have copied. And there we have cobblestone material pasted to that object with all its settings. And that is simply how to copy and paste materials between objects in the scene. The next button is called Save Material to Custom Material. When we press it, this window appears asking me what to name that material. Instead of custom_standard, I will name it Cobblestone PBR Material and press OK. Now what happened is that our material will be saved in Lumion Material Library next to various indoor and outdoor. We have this tab called Custom Materials, and inside it we will have the materials that was saved to Custom Material Library. And this library will be saved in a folder on my computer inside my documents for any other projects that we will be working on. If we go to my documents on this computer, inside Lumion folder, there is a folder named Material. And here is where our custom materials gets saved. And now our custom material will always be available to be applied on any object inside our scene or other scenes that we open on this computer. Now we learned copy, paste and custom material. It's time to learn saving and loading materials. Let me select this curb material and press Save Material. Now Lumion will ask me where I want to save this material on the hard drive with extension .lnm. Let me create a folder, name it Lumion Materials and save my curb material to curb outdoor material.lnm and press save. And now anytime I need this material, just press load and navigate to that folder and load it to my scene. Let me save my scene and open another Lumion scene. Go to Materials mode, select that curb object, press Load Material, navigate to Curb Outdoor Materials.lnm and press Open. And now the material will be loaded with all its settings, but there is a small problem. The problem is that Lumion cannot find the color map that comes with that material, and we have to navigate and select it again. So just bear in mind, if we are going to use load and save materials, we have to save the color map and any other images that are used in this material, and we may need to go and navigate to their location on our hard drive. Unlike Custom Material Library, Lumion already knows the location of its maps, even if we are using it in other scenes. And that was how to manage materials of copy, paste, save to custom materials, load, and save materials. Those tools will be very useful to make our workflow with Lumion much faster in future projects.